Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you change your name at Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Facebook application. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application, and after opening the application, go to the setting by clicking to the 3 bar and gear button into the top right corner. Step 2. Go to Meta Account Center. Now after coming to settings, just simply go to this Meta Account Center into the top of your Facebook. And after coming to the Account Center, go to the Profile option and select your account. Step 3. Change the name. Now after coming to Profile settings, you just simply have to select the name option into the top. And after that, you can see your first name, middle name and surname into here. You just simply have to erase the current name and enter a new one that you want to change to. And after entering the new name, just simply click into this review change option. Then Facebook will review your name, and now you can also change the order of your name. And after doing this, just simply click to this save changes option here. By following these very easy steps, you can also change your name into your Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.